Good afternoon, everybody. This is meteorologist Ryan Munn. We have a lot to talk about. Right now, temperatures aren't so bad around the noon hour on Friday, but things are going to change in quite a big way as we head into later on tonight and tomorrow. And we also are tracking a storm system as we head into Sunday night and Monday. I'll have all the details on that, so let's talk about it. Some sun, but also lots of clouds throughout the day. You will notice the wind begin to pick up as we head into later on in the afternoon, especially by this evening, and that's when the temperatures are going to drop as well. We'll see 20s as we head into the evening, and then tonight it is going to be bitterly cold. If you have to head out overnight, and especially tomorrow morning, make sure you bundle up with all the winter gear you have. I'm talking the hat, the gloves, scarf, the thickest winter coat that you have. It is just going to be very cold. It will. You guys probably remember Tuesday when it was very cold around the state. It will be at least as cold as that as we head into tomorrow morning. So bitterly cold, and we do have a wind chill advisory in effect for those wind chills that will run 10 to 20 below zero, and that includes all of inland Connecticut. Now, right along the shoreline, you can see there's no wind chill advisory, but that doesn't mean it's not going to be cold. We're still going to see wind chills upwards of 10 below zero, even right along the immediate shoreline. So let's look at that. If you are heading out tonight around 8 o'clock, wind chills running in the single digits and teens across the state. It's only going to get worse from there. Tomorrow morning, if you're waking up early, thankfully it's a weekend day, so that is some good news, but wind chills will run anywhere between 5 to 15 below zero early on Saturday, and then temperatures continue to fall a little bit, and the wind stays about the same, which means that we are going to see wind chills get even lower than that as we head into around 8, 9 o'clock. That's when we will see wind chills 10 to 20 below zero across the entire state. Maybe some areas in the northwest corner are even a little bit cooler than that, upwards of 25 below zero. So just a brutal day for tomorrow. We're talking wind chills even during the quote-unquote mildest part of the day, anywhere between 0, 10 below, but generally say single digits above and below zero across the state. And we also are watching Sunday night into Monday, I really should say, as we will see snow begin to develop, maybe some snow mix down towards the shoreline, anywhere between around, say, 9 to 11 p.m. on Sunday. And then throughout the nighttime, we'll see this rain-snow line progress north. Notice it really quickly transitions to rain right along the immediate shoreline. I think even by 12, 1 o'clock, we could be all rain along the shoreline, if not earlier than that. And that's generally along the I-95 corridor. But up towards northern Connecticut, it will stay snow longer, and the precip will come down at a pretty steady clip. That's what it's looking like at this point. So I do think we will see accumulation for a good part of inland Connecticut. By 3 o'clock, notice that rain-snow line progressing up towards the north. And then by 5 or 6, I think most of southern Connecticut is looking at plain rain, which is good. But then up towards northern Connecticut, especially northwest Connecticut, we're talking Litchfield County, they could see the snow continue throughout the morning for the most part. And then in the valleys, I think we do transition to rain for, say, about 6, 7 o'clock. That's what it's looking like at this point. And then throughout the morning, notice by 10, 11 o'clock, I think most areas are looking at just plain rain. I could see a scenario, though, where northwest Connecticut stays snow a little bit longer. And I think generally we're talking 1 to 5 inches for most areas across the state. A little bit more possibly northwest Connecticut, we're talking Litchfield County, but a little bit less possibly and right along the shoreline. So you could only see maybe a coating upwards of an inch at the most right along the shoreline. Something to continue to monitor. But this does not look like a major snowstorm, but I do think Monday morning will be a sloppy commute if you do have to head out. So here's a look at your 8-day forecast. Brutally cold for the day tomorrow. So if you have to head out, I recommend don't, but if you have to, just dress appropriately. Frostbite can occur anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes for the morning on Saturday. Sunday, a dry start, but then we'll see clouds begin to move in. Snow mix transitioning to rain for the day on Monday across most areas. And then Tuesday, it looks like we dry out. Wednesday as well. Notice the temperatures increase in quite a big way. It actually doesn't take much to have those temperatures increase considering how cold it will be Saturday. We're watching the threat for maybe a little rain, snow on Thursday. And then I think by Friday, we're going to get into a chilly pattern as we head into the end of next work week and next weekend. So that is something to, unfortunately, not look forward to as well. That's the latest look at the forecast. Just be careful tomorrow. Don't forget your pets and just dress appropriately. Have a good one.